So I wanted to make the OnePlus audio hidden features, but this arrives, so we'll open it first. And it's a Bluetooth receiver transmitter, and the reason I'm showing you this first is because it's about the topic that we are talking about. So this is a Bluetooth 5 audio receiver from a Blitzwolf, which is the Banggood brand. And what this thing does, it's a Bluetooth 5, and the important thing of this has 2 or 3 advantages. One, it's Bluetooth 5, it's got aptx HD, and this is what I'm looking for. I want quality in the audio, and this can also be a transmitter, and not just a transmitter, but it can transmit to 2 headphones or 2 Bluetooth speakers at once, and this makes this device very unique. And so it's got 2 RCAs, it's got a 3.5 output or input, I think, a power button, an antenna, and the 5 volt micro USB charging, and I think it's a optical input or output, I don't know yet. And of course it comes with all the cables inside. 3.5 RCA analog, USB for charging, and optical cable. So you got here all you need to make this device your Bluetooth transmitter or receiver and get a high quality. So this was the unboxing, the quick unboxing. Let's get back to the OnePlus 6 hidden audio features. So this is my OnePlus 6, and let's get to the settings. And I think everyone knows these settings, the sound settings, and you got your audio tuner, which is very nice. So in this screen you can generate some enhancement to certain types of earphones, and also the equalizer, you can use the presets or adjust it by yourself, which is nice. But this is only one part of the 1.6, which is pretty good, you know. I would very happy with this setting. But if you go to system and developer options and scroll a bit down, then you can find all the codecs of the audio codecs of this phone. And here you can change the Bluetooth version, and you can get some other things that will help your phone sound much better while connecting to a Bluetooth speaker or phones, as long as they have all these codecs inside. So one of the things we can see here is we have a SVC, which is the simplest one, but it's higher than normal. ACC, which is very common in Apple products, but also in some parts of earphones. And we have the newer aptx and aptx HD, which allows you higher sound transmission and better sound overall. And you got a LDAC option, which is made by Sony, and it's up to 990, I think, kilobyte per second, I think. So it's very nice, and you can just select it and the phone will try to connect to a product that is compatible, like the blitzwolf transmitter we have here. Also, you can adjust the beats sample. Yeah, 24 beats, 32 maybe, and not the regular 16. And you can also just, if you're using LDAC, you can choose to make it the best possible, or to force it to go up to 990 kilobytes per second. 909, sorry. Yeah, 990 up to 909 kilobytes per second, which is I think it's the highest quality you can get right now with Bluetooth. So I tested these options with several earphones and speakers, and it does makes a difference. So I'm waiting to try it with new blitzwolf receiver, which I hope will produce a better sound. I'll let you know in the next video. So remember, system, developer options, scroll down a bit and you will see this option for Bluetooth. Very nice. So I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like to. Subscribe to my channel and keep following my channel if you want to. I'll put a link below to the blitzwolf receiver transmitter, which is a budget receiver transmitter with many options. So hope you like this video. See you next time. Bye for now. Have fun. Bye.